I'm gonna be trying out the candy melting pot from Wilton, and I have purchased the pot insert, so we'll see how that goes. Rinse the strawberries by running them under cool water. Place them on a clean kitchen towel or paper towel to dry. Pat them dry. Also with paper towels, we want them to be super dry. Get the melting pot out and the insert out of the box, and let's get started. Plug it in. Notice that it has a max fill line, so do not go over it. I will be using candy melts, colors white, pink, and brown. I also have some sprinkles. Okay, so we're gonna scoot it over twice, because if you just scoot it once, that's for it just to be warm. And then if you want it to be heating, you move it to the second one. Okay, now we're just gonna throw in the chocolate, and the whole bag is like perfect. While that's heating up, we're gonna insert these into the strawberries to make it easier to dip in there. So we're not gonna stick it all the way through. We just have to start poking right there and take it about to right here from the inside, not all the way. So let's push. Just where you can get a grip. Just barely insert it. I have stuck the screws in the strawberries, and now we're all set. Stirring the chocolate in the melting pot, it took like 7 to 10 minutes. Completely melt. So now we're ready to dip our strawberries in there.
There. I will do this thing.
Chocolate hardened really quick.
Oh, dang.
Oops, I think that's too much. Alright, there you go. Add the pink. I love this individual pot insert. It allows you to do 2 colors at the same time. In the back of the bag, it says that you can add a teaspoon of vegetable oil for the consistency. So we'll do that. The teaspoon of oil made the consistency very liquidy, but it's gonna dry, so alright. It didn't change the color or the flavor. I am using sprinkles to decorate, but you can also use chocolate chips or nuts to make it look like the gourmet strawberries. It is important that after you dip it, you right away put the sprinkles on there to let them dry with the chocolate. It is way easier to decorate the stripes on the strawberries with a piping bag. However, I have a Ziploc bag and I'm just gonna have to make it work. If you have parchment paper, you can make yourself your own piping bag. Okay, in my luck, it was the extra huge Ziploc bags. But okay, let's see. You just throw all the product into one corner. You're gonna wanna use it as if it was a piping bag to decorate a cake, and just squeeze it all the way down and squeeze to get the air bubbles out. Clip it just very little, and then squeeze again to get the air bubbles out, and you're ready to throw some stripes in your strawberries. Once cooled, they'll be ready to eat or put in a gift box. You can also make edible arrangements. This is a clear base with styrofoam in it. Wrapping paper. Lay the wrapping paper down and place the base in the middle. Connect the corners together. Cut a piece of twine and tie the wrapping paper to the base. I purchased a balloon and some roses from the Dollar Tree. Cut the roses with some scissors. I'm placing the balloon and the roses in the base. I'm placing pink paper shred on top of the base to cover up the styrofoam. I had a lot of fun doing this with my sisters. This is a great idea for birthday gifts, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. I will definitely give a thumbs up to the Wilton Deluxe Candy Melting Pot. It kept everything warm and it made it super easy to accomplish. I give it a big thumbs up. Hope y'all liked it. Give it a like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.